Hello dear friends, so you can make your own flashcards or use mine. The next thing which you will need is 6 small boxes. Now I will explain how we'll use them. First box is for new words. Let's call it new words. Second is day 1, then day 3, then day 10, day 30, day 90. You start learning the first group of words. Then repeat them in 15 minutes and then in 1 hour. The words which you can remember fast you put in box number 2. Let's call this box day 1. The words which you can't remind stay in the box new words. Next day you start not from the learning new words, but from the repetition, the previous ones. Repetition here is more important. So you start from the box day 1. All words which you remember fast you put in the box day 3. All the words which you couldn't remember you return to the box new words. And only after repetition you add a new group of words. In such way you work every day. Not to waste time for searching these words, I offer to use mine. I have already selected for you 1000 most useful and common words. You can join my vocabulary course. The price is $25. What this course includes? You will get 1000 the most useful and practical words. Words that you can use immediately in your daily life. They are already made as flashcards. All you need to do is to print them, glue together and cut, and that's all, you can use them. Moreover, you will get not only flashcard, but also a video with correct Russian pronunciation and illustration for each word. The majority of people are visual learners, and those funny pictures will help you to remember words faster. And it's not the end. Each word has an example in Russian and translation into English. I always say that learning words without example is less effective. You need simple examples to know how to use words correctly. I made them for you. I offer you to listen to each video not once, but a few times. And not only listen, but also repeat out loud each word and example. Believe me, it's extremely effective. In a month you will know a lot of words and you will be able to build your own sentences in Russian and will understand what people say to you. So 1 month course is $25 and you will know 1000 Russian words which cover about 75% of conversational Russian language. Moreover, for the most fast I give additional bonus. During next 48 hours you can buy it only for $20. Use the promo code from description.